Yeah, that's pretty good plan.
Yeah, there is something coming out later today, I believe. So stay tuned. Yeah.
I believe. Come on now. There's something coming out today.
Okay. Nick is twisting my arm. Something is coming out. This is true.
Yeah, Birdie said that it'll be at noon. A little bird told me.
At noon.
Yeah. What's going on, Eric? Yeah, it'll we'll be excited to see what that is.
let's start the show. How's it going? What a day, right? Okay, so let's see what's happening. I was watching gold earlier. I'm kind of curious. NQ definitely spiked higher, so that was interesting to see. And so let's see what else can be done here. Let's see what else can be done. Still have 8 minutes to go. So that would be exciting to see. We have a zone here. 2 zones actually above each other on gold. So I'm just curious if these zones are gonna break, or are we gonna see a pullback or whatever. Mark, sorry, hello there. Good to see you. I don't know why the YouTube changed the names, but I'm gonna figure out. I haven't checked it, but it wasn't me. All right, let's see what's going on here. Ba-da-da-da-da-dum. Ba-da-da-da-da-dum. Gold tries to break that 137, yeah, and it did. So there was a buy side on the other zone here at midnight, so obviously it took it. Now the question remains what's gonna happen next. But as for NQ, man, it's tough. It's tough. It's really tough to go with this. I think we have to. Oh wow, I just realized something. Okay, there is a liquidity void here on the news candle. Now I'm not saying we're definitely going down there, but it's interesting. It is interesting. Liquidity void right down there. Okay, I don't know, I'll be careful. Gold started to tank a little bit. All right, nothing special. The only thing I would be looking for is maybe a drop on gold, and for levels, the only thing we have is that buy side liquidity and that 15-minute supply zone higher. So my plan for gold right now, and I can delete these levels, my plan is to look for a pullback and then a continuation higher. That is what I'm looking for. I absolutely like that 15-minute supply zone up there. I think it's amazing. I think that's just amazing. So whenever I see a possible entry along the way here, I might gonna take it. That's gold. As for NQ, I think it just wants to go back down, man. it might going to take the high of 523 and then go all the way down. Nobody knows. Could be interesting. Could be interesting. Curry Fishbowl, what's up? What is happening? Less than 2 minutes to go. And I'm still kind of waiting on a pullback for gold. Okay. 50 seconds, everybody. Gotta be careful. I have a weird feeling that we might go down there. Anyway, let's wait and see. Could turn around, could go down, we don't know. 5 seconds to go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here it comes. Okay. All right. It's going. So I stated out this liquidity void down there. Now that is 74 points away. I think there's a potential. And it's only on the micro, but I think there's a potential for it to go down there. Gold pulling back a little bit. Yeah, so this level is 378, 380. Kind of interesting, but we'll see. Ships, welcome. What's the MyFundedFutures flash sale that you said? Oh, I've been told I cannot say it, unfortunately. I said too much earlier, so, but there's going to be a flash thing going on. A special thing from, unfortunately, I've been told that, hey, you can't say that. So I have to wait until 12 Eastern, but I'm going to put out a tweet at lunch hours, so it will be out. Fizzlid, welcome. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. What's going on at my funded TV, by the way? Nothing. All right. Okay, this is going back. Hey, thank you so much. Spitz, thank you. Thank you, thank you. That's very kind of you to say. Thank you, man. Well, yeah, I love being there. I think the vibes are absolutely great. The community is great. So I really like it. By the way, sorry I wasn't reading the chat. I'm a little bit, when trying to lock myself into a direction here, trying to figure out if this one wants to push higher first, or is it just going to visit those lows down there. I'm trying to figure this out. I feel like it might want to do a push. But I'll be watching this closely. Sweat liquidity on this gap. It might want to go higher, but we're gonna have news in about 12 minutes, I think. Yeah. So we're gonna have PMI numbers in 12 minutes, and we have University of Michigan numbers at 10. So I think there's a chance that this one just wants to pop higher, you know. Maybe. We don't know that exactly. But it definitely has a potential to do so. $85.93, yeah, it's pushing higher. Yeah, it's better to wait for the numbers. It's just better to wait for it because I can't say anything other than, yeah, you gotta wait. Gold went through these zones. I deleted these zones, but on the 5 and the 15 minute, we actually completely disabled these zones to the left. So we should be pushing higher to that 15-minute supply zone up there. On gold, the plan for me is that I would like to see a pullback of some sort and then going higher. This would be the plan on my end for gold. So I don't know, we'll see. As for NQ, I know it sounds strange, but I like that liquidity void down there. So NQ, I think it can just easily go higher, sweep the high right there, and then go back down and, you know, rebalance that void. I can imagine this scenario on NQ. But we'll see. Actually, not rebalance. That's not a void. That's an unbalanced price range. But, you know. Hey, Martin. Good morning. I thought you were saying bear market. BM. Good morning. BM, bear market. Oh, but that's also bull market. So bear market or bull market. Leg day. Yeah. Yeah, the good old leg day. Roll. Hey. What is going on? Hello. Well, unfortunately, I wish I could tell you guys any sort of direction here. We're gonna have, I think we have to wait for the direction until after 10 a.m. It just wants to make a new high, maybe for just, you know, lure in the buyers, more buyers, and then go for a short. Yeah, that's going for it. And as for gold, this is my plan. Some of you guys are just joining. I'd like to see a pullback and then go higher. Okay, we made a new high. If this goes higher, I don't care. We have to put the 600 to the chart because that would be the next round number here. Quick check on ES. Yeah, ES also same situation. Okay, nothing special happening. All these new all-time highs, right? Unstoppable market. So I'm not interested to take along at all. Not at all. Actually, when I see this candle or on any market, let it be gold or NQ, I just know that the session is destroyed. When I see a candle like this, I know it's done. It's over. It's so hard to read the market at these times, like what it wants. So that's why the only plan I have, if it wants to go down, I like to see it go down to 373. And that's it. Nothing more. I mean, gold looks better, definitely, than NQ. Gold looks more promising here. Interesting. All right, sorry, I was just reading. Hey, Zacromancer, have a good weekend, you as well. Oh, we have the pullback finally on gold, so it's happening. I like this pullback, I really do. I really do. But we have the news real soon. So be careful. Hey Green, what's up? Salvaged my TPT account earlier during CPI. Oh, I see. Well, 27 drawdown. Yeah, that's not too much. Keegan Murphy, what's up? Whoa. Well, we're waiting for the news, and we still need to wait for the 10 a.m. University of Michigan news, and after 10 a.m. we might see the direction. Until then, this is hard to say. It's just hard to say. Yeah, nothing we can do here. Just sit on our hands, and that's it. That's the only thing we can do. Times like this. Too much? Okay, this is better. All right, here comes the news. PMI number is out. Gold dropping a little bit lower. NQ spiked up. Okay. That's kind of good. So far, everything is according to plan. And now, all we're waiting for is the revised University of Michigan numbers. Oh, that's terrible. That's actually bad. All right, so not the numbers, but the it's too bright. Okay, manufacturing PMI. Okay. Overall good numbers. So overall good numbers. Gold pulling back, which is good. Fizzlid about to go long like there's no tomorrow. All right, well, see you on the flip side. Be careful there, Fizzlid, be careful. I mean, we're getting closer to 600, but I don't know, I have a strange feeling. Might have to wait until the University of Michigan numbers. We'll see. Oh yeah, basically no tomorrow market would go not up. Yeah, okay, we see the drop happening on NQ. It's not a big drop. Let me check something on the 1 minute here. Don't worry. Okay, so that's the mid-level. All right. Very, very strange. It feels like it could be a short opportunity here. I feel like this one could be a short opportunity, but is it really a good idea? Maybe. All right, I took a small short position. All right. Only with one micro here. The idea would be to go with 385. All right. So that's my idea. Let's see how it goes. It was an early entry. I know that. Yeah, it's very hard to short here. And it's very risky too. If it goes below 430, I'm going to put it to break even. That's the plan. Otherwise, I'm just going to let it be. I already made profits on these accounts today, so I'm actually doing very good. If I lose this, it's still gonna be from the profits. So it's gonna be all good. But it can also go down. I mean, sorry, up. It can also go up. That is true. Fizzlit, please do not copy trade me because, you know, I'm not really good trading these markets, especially on a CPI day. And copy trading is, you know, it's up to you, obviously. It's your choice. But it's a low probability setup. That's why, as you can see, I'm only going with one single micro. And today I already made some profits, so I'm okay losing $100 on each of these accounts. I'm perfectly fine losing $100 on each of these. Because obviously if it goes above the 540s, then yeah, I was too early on this, so I'm just gonna have to wait. And we still have the University of Michigan numbers. AMD up 5%. Okay, then NQ is gonna have a hard time dropping down when AMD is pushing like that. I might even close it manually if we see it skyrocketing up there. I don't like this. 5 more minutes, almost 6 actually. Ugh. Yeah, I should have waited for the retracement into the fair value gap. That's true. It's happening right now. Yes, there's going to be a special promo at 12, so at lunch hour. Only for 6 hours, it's going to be a very special one. I'm going to be tweeting it out there myself. It's already scheduled. But I've been told that I cannot say anything. It's Trading Star. Welcome. Was about to get the core flex. Oh, I see. The core flex is great, by the way. The core flex is great. It's actually a good choice, I think, depending on your trading style, of course. And obviously, that's a cheap version. That's a cheap account, and you still get a lot of benefits. You know, getting more payout potential, building up the buffer. Man, I don't like this. What's going on? It's not gonna survive until the news release. It's gonna keep on pushing. Oh. Yeah, it's... Oh, man. It seems like it wants to go. Might have to close it. Okay, still 3 minutes. 3 minutes is a lot of time. Especially when the market wants to move. I think I might have to close it. You know what? Let's wait for the stop. And if it wants to go down again, I can still make a move later. This is an okay level if it takes me out. No trade so far. All right, yeah. Waiting is sometimes it's very useful. Exactly. all I can tell you, Zekromancer, that it will have to do something with the pro accounts. Okay. But I've been told, Tom, you cannot talk about this. I said, okay, I'm not gonna talk. But I just did. So, shh, shh. So, shh, shh, shh. Yeah, news in 2 minutes. Green, I cannot confirm or deny anything about that. All right, that's the official reply. I cannot confirm or deny anything from that. Spinash, welcome. Zakromancer, wink. All right. I saw someone saying on my buy 1 free 4 accounts. Yeah, only with my code. Doing great, thank you. I entered a trade a little bit early, but we're gonna have the University of Michigan numbers here. I think my trade is gonna get destroyed here, but it's fine. It's completely okay. So here comes the numbers. Oh, spiked up. What just happened? My chart froze. I don't like this. These numbers usually are not strong like this. I mean, this kind of news release is. Martin Muchka, welcome. Yeah, it seems like I'm gonna get stopped out from this one, but hey, no problem. How you doing, Martin? I think it wants to make one more push. I'm okay. I'm gonna let this one take the stop as it should, right? I'm gonna let it take the stop. I actually turned down the copy trader as well. I let the stops do their job. With the same trade, Rhythmic is terrible here. Oh no. Yeah, I'm in a short, but I just realized I made a mistake. So, but it's fine. I'm risking like 110 bucks on each of these accounts, and I made profits today. So I'm just giving back some profits here. But that's it. I was a little bit greedy. But I'm okay. You bought bread with my code? Let's go. Bread is good. Bread is good. 600 TP. That I think it's most likely possible. We're heading there. My stop is gonna get caught here. Unfortunate. I really thought that we're gonna go down and try to reprice that liquidity. I mean, unbalanced price ranges down there. But anyway. Yeah, stock market is in green. Yeah, I'm seeing it. Unfortunate, but we'll get ready for the next one, right? Martin, it's up to you. Rhythmic can be a little bit tricky sometimes. I know. Me waiting MyFundedFutures account code. I think lots of people are waiting for MyFundedFutures account codes. It is what it is. Yeah. It is what it is. But it's fine. It's completely okay. Yeah, completely. Yeah, I agree, Curry Fishbowl. I'm still waiting for a dip on gold. Kind of hoping that gold will go lower here. Cash 3 reset goes past 3 days. Wow, that's awesome. Is that like, I thought that the reset codes are like limited to 2 or 3 uses per person or something. I don't know, but that's good. Actually, you were fast. Excuse me. You were fast. 30 users each. Ah, 30 use. Okay, each code. Okay. All right. Stop loss hit. Well, gold is also tricky. Well, I think the only thing we can do is I'm still waiting for gold to for a pullback, by the way. So I'm waiting for gold because this is my plan on gold. If it would make a bigger pullback here, that would be amazing. Going lower, that would be great. And then go up to that 15-minute supply zone. This would be my plan, but I need a bigger pullback here. My keyboard is crashing. Oh no. It's a good thing that keyboards are cheap nowadays, right? We can get a keyboard for like how much? I think for $8 you can get a keyboard. I know a place here you can get a keyboard for $8. Ah, words bugging. Okay. Let's get through with this stop loss market and let's focus on this. Is actually consuming my energy here, but I don't want to close it because I want to take the full stop and then move on. Let me just move on. Let's focus on the next trade. All right, there you go. There you go. All right, it's fine. We are fine. Don't worry. We're completely okay. Gold also started to go higher, but I don't know. This is interesting. And what about, okay, 550. Let's see, the high of this candle was 550. So no, I'm not gonna do anything with this on the long side. But this one clearly wants to go. To get funded with one micro only. Yes, but it's gonna take maybe for like 6 weeks or 8 weeks. Yeah, it's definitely possible, of course, but it might gonna take a little bit more than 4 weeks, all I can tell you. But it's possible. Absolutely, absolutely. If there is market structure shift with displacement, we will have a bearish SMT BDS. All right, we'll see. You know, technically, this short would be still valid if my stop would be at 51. According to this FIC tool, 50% retracement level would have been here. And so this would be the short entry. So the trade would be still sort of like valid, but I think it's going to break through. Let's see, what is the first presentation, or where is the first presentation gap? It can be here or here. Yeah, it's going to be down there. So the first presentation gap on the micro is there. Never thought. Sup, Em? What's up? Sorry, I didn't read there. I'm out from the long. Okay, well, yeah, gotta be careful with the risk. It's Friday, it's not worth it. It's very tricky. That's why I'm not gonna do anything with this until we're not seeing a proper price action. I was really hoping on a bigger pullback on gold, but it's not happening. Classic Friday, right? It's a classic Friday move. $600. Yeah, it's possible. Well, it seems like, you know, the stocks are going, except Tesla, but it seems like stocks are going. So ES wants to break that high again. It's better to wait. Here at Forex Factory. In my time, it's 4 p.m., but you know, it's revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment. Inflation expectation as expected. Revised it. So yeah, they revised it here. So it wasn't a good. So they expected better number, but it was worse. It's still going up, but it's like not that significant. Not much is going on here. NQ stopped. Yeah. Gold is going up there. Okay. Gold left the building. Previous day high is next. 15-minute supply zone is still there. I don't know. Let's stay on the 5-minute for now and see what happens. What do we have? NQ stopped. All right. Why is it so hard for the market to go higher? So I didn't think we'll have it. Yeah, I usually talk about this University of Michigan thing because I think it does have an impact on the market. I think it should be like maybe not a red folder news, but at least an orange folder, you know. I'm always trying to force myself. Yeah. Listen, it's actually a very good challenge if you can make it through. The 1 micro challenge, you know. Okay. Gold still going higher. No sign of a pullback here. I'm still waiting on NQ. Let's see. No giveaway business plans, I'm sorry. Yeah, it seems like Trading Star, like there's gonna be nothing here. Nothing. It's not giving us any opportunity here. Yeah, ES didn't take it. As far as I checked, yeah. ES did not take it. Kind of interesting. I think, by the way, this is gonna stay the way like this until 11. Maybe we're gonna see a better or bigger movement. I don't know. During lunch hour or PM session, it might just. I feel that it's a bit heavy. So I don't know. I'd like to see NQ go lower, but I don't think it's gonna happen. It feels it just wants to push it through the 600. Oh man, what is happening with NQ? What is this? Why is it doing this? Why no? I feel like PM session is gonna be maybe better. PM session is the way to go, right? All right, I took a short, trying to go for that 476, maybe, I guess. Yeah. If not, that's cool too. Yeah, almost out. Why does this keep happening? Only $100 ish. Okay, one is here. One is gonna be down. One is gonna be down. All the way down. Why not? 375. That's a lot. Do I want to do it? Let's go with 400. 402. All right. If we can take a partial, I can move this to break even. If not, it's fine. 20% sale on Procans. Who told you that? I cannot confirm or deny that. Insider news, all right. I know. Yeah, I saw some tweets. Oh, she said it. Okay. Okay. Is it active now? Is it already happening or not? It's not. It's gonna be active from launch hour. Just saying. Yeah. Okay, so I can tell now. If Terry said so, then, and I saw a tweet from Matt, so it's gonna be a 20% discount on the pro accounts. Yes, that's true. The rumors are true. It's 20% discount on pro accounts for only 6 hours. I'm gonna get a pro account, that's for sure. It's a good price. Maybe 2 actually. Okay, gold not doing anything. $650 above my consistency paid myself. Depends on which platform. If it's intraday trailing, it's up to you. If end of day, then you can just simply lose. Put on a few trades and press the reverse button a few times, and it's gonna definitely drain your account. Full port, yeah. What's up with NQ? Come on. And I feel like this one is not ready to drop yet. Or at least not just yet. Are you trading with FundingTicks? Yes, I do. Yes, I got 5 payouts from them so far. I'm trading with them. Yes. Yeah, typical, right? Well, yeah, I'm trading with them. I'm trading with them. The standard account, the standard one. I have no issue with because the expert account has less minimum trading days, but I'm perfectly fine with the standard account. It's okay for me. I don't need too many contracts, and I'm okay with the 7 days. So yeah, the buy one get one for free promo is still on the Funded Futures network, which is, I think it's a great deal, if you ask me. Yeah, it's painful. It is. It is painful to watch. I agree. Uh, 5 minute, 10, 20. Maybe. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not really 100% sure about the concept of the breakaway gap, because I heard too many different versions of the breakaway gap. I think in order for this to be a breakaway gap, this one has to close without mitigating that candle. I don't know. It could be. I'm not familiar too much. I mean, yes, I watched the lectures and the videos, but I'm not sure 100% if this is the one. Oh no, it's just going back again. If that's a breakaway gap, then it's not functioning well. Yeah. My main ones are Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures, but I do like Trade Day better, more and more. I like Trade Day because the daily payouts, you know, and Funded Futures Network also good. That being said, the recent payouts I got was from Bulenox and Apex. I know you guys love Apex, and they are actually paying out people. So Bulenox this month was absolutely great. I submitted the next payout for next week, another $3,000 from Bulenox. That being said, I love Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, and Trade Day is coming up strong with the daily payouts. So because now you can have more funded accounts. So gotta wait for, well, too late for that, I think. Wasn't GC short? Yeah, gold is a tricky one, especially at times like this. So we have the new 30-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute candle. Would be interesting to see. Whatever is not a fair value gap is breakaway gap. Oh, okay. I gotta go back to school and check it again. I wonder if this one's going to take that partial. No. You were right. All right, now we can put this to break even finally. All right, let's put this to break even. Boom. Now it's a free trade. Let's see what happens. Obviously, it's gonna go back to my my level. It's fine. I can actually do a bit of a modification here. My entry is 11.50. All right, it's fine. So now it's house money. And let's just wait. Partial taken. My idea on this one, I know it's a bold idea. I know. You're going to say, oh, no, it's not going to go there. We'll see. We'll follow it if it goes. Is that unbalanced price range at the news release. But since it's free money, free profit, like why not have some fun, right? Let's have some fun with this. And by the way, the positions are obviously being copied, so let's have some fun. I mean, trading should be fun, right? So let's have some fun with this. You're in the short too? Let's see. If it breaks 430, I'm going to bring lower my stop. Depends on what happens here. But hey, we secured 50 something dollars. So the previous trade that I lost, 50% of that loss has been recovered, and I was in profit overall before that. So I'm perfectly good. I'm good on Friday. I'm not going to force anything. Just kind of curious, that's all. Trade is fun until you full port. That's exactly right. But even then, if you full port, like, that's fun too, right? For a certain level. Yeah, I'm targeting, there's a liquidity, unbalanced price range down there at 383-ish. It's not visible here, but it's visible on some other data feeds and trading view as well. It would be a low-hanging fruit if it starts to waterfall down, but I don't think it's going to waterfall down. Now, this is the last savior, this fair value gap. If it trades higher, then, you know, what can we do, right? Not much to do with that if everything changes. Oh yeah, I have to turn down the copy trader just to make sure. Okay, copy trader turned off. Because it seems like we're gonna get stopped out at break even on the second half of this trade. Very dirty game on NQ today. Very dirty. Good morning, Headley. What's up? Yeah, FundingTicks also. I mean, yeah, FundingTicks network definitely have a very good offer. $37.50 for a 50k account with no activation fee. You're not gonna find anything cheaper than that in the whole prop firm space. No activation fee. That's what I'm saying. $37.50 with no activation fee. Like, you're just technically not going to find anything cheaper than that. So, with the buy one get one free sale, obviously you have to pay $75. That's true, but you're gonna get two 50k accounts. That's the deal. I like this 5-minute bullish pin bar here. And I like the first presentation gap too. Yeah, the trading, but it's still better than Apex and Bulenox. So it's only end of trade. So it's not intra trade or intraday. So the open positions are not trailing, Headley. That's the good news. If you're up $1,000 and if you're not closing the trade, and if it goes back against you, it's not going to count. Only when you close the trade, that's what counts. So it's definitely better than Apex and Bulenox. Yes, it's not end of day trailing, but it's 100% better than the regular intraday trailing. So I call it end of trade trailing. So it's, you know, open positions do not trail your stop. Yeah, buy one get one for free. That's how it goes. So $75 is the cheapest 50k account. You can check it on my actually, I can paste it here. Let me show this to you. You see the details in a second. I'm gonna paste that from my community post page on YouTube. Posts. Come on. Okay, here it is. Okay, just a second. So check this out. This is the promo. So you buy an account for $75 and you're going to get another account. So for $75, you're going to get two accounts. Yeah. I mean, no problem with that, Headley. Yeah. Oh, no, but thank you so much for the support, Headley. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the support. I really do. 100%, billion percent. And yeah, they are end of day trading. Oh, wow. Okay. It technically kissed my stop loss. I think it's going to break higher. Look at this. What's it doing, man? It technically... Okay. It went to my stop loss to the point. If this trade is going to survive, it's going to be crazy. I think it's going to go higher. Bears are not strong enough here. Well, we tried. Come on, man. Look at this. Is this really happening? I just put the stop when it where it hurts, basically. You know, you put your stop where it would hurt you in your emotions, and where it hurts you, that's where your stop is gonna be. That's the simple answer. But otherwise, previous swing highs and swing lows usually. Like, I determine when I see price going higher or lower than that certain swing high or swing low, that would typically mean that the trade is done. That would typically mean that it's over, right? Yeah, it's gonna go higher. All right, we tried, but it's fine. It's completely okay. Took partials on this one at least. Yeah. Strong rejection on this level. NQ still going higher. Yeah, maybe. Feel like it's shifting stop loss to break even as soon as you see green. You need to do more homework and gain confidence. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. Something like that. Yeah, so by the way, since we're still here, I'm just letting you guys know that next week the schedule is changing because of two things on My Funded TV and here as well. There's going to be a daylight shift in Europe, so my stream is going to be a little bit later, like 1 hour later, which is going to be around 3 a.m. Eastern Standard. So usually I start at 2 a.m. Now I'm going to start at 3 a.m. because of daylight saving time. But only for a week until US also switching to winter time zone. Such a stupid thing, by the way, in the whole world. Anyway, and also next week, My Funded TV opening, I'm going to do the opening at 9 a.m. with Nick. So I won't be here at the 9:30 market open. I'll be at My Funded TV, but I'll be here from 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Like, I mean, the regular market open. Yeah, I mean, I'll be here. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna call it here, everybody. I'm not going to force anything here. This was an interesting, very interesting session. I had a loss, partially recovered. Overall in the green everywhere on my evals and fundeds. Good day. So, Quantower, this, yes, exactly. I use Quantower. Have a great weekend, everybody, and recharge. And don't forget, some good sales are still going on. And if you would like to support, please use the code up there. TOMSABO works at Lucid, FundingTicks, TRADEIFY, everywhere. Just the usual stuff, you know. Thank you so much for that. So I'll be at My Funded TV shortly. And if I don't see you there, I wish everybody an awesome, awesome weekend. And, you know, just recharge, sleep as much as you can. Next week is going to be amazing as well. Even better, much better. And yeah, God bless you all. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Cheers.